Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks on the POCO F5. So to open the Pro mode, you have to open the camera and then move to the left side and find Pro mode. First, when you enter the Pro mode, you can click on the information icon. It appears in the left upper corner of our preview and you will find description of every parameter. Next, take a look. We can adjust white balance by using the presets. We can set focus range. Also, we can set up the shutter speed. We can control ISO level, exposure compensation. We can also switch lenses. In this place, we can enable the 64 megapixel mode. We can also adjust other things like saturation, contrast, sharpness. We can also reset them. Here we can set the matrix metering. We can also enable the flashlight. And by tapping right here, we are able to change aspect ratio, add shutter delay. We are also able to add the grid lines, and we can also add the voice shutter and also enable the focus peaking and exposure verification. So that's the Pro mode on the POCO F5. Hope you like it.